Tunghayan po natin ang isang eksena na kagimbal-gimbal na ito po sinasabi ngayon ni former PRRD sa harap mismo ng hearing sa Quadcom. Ito nga ay nandyan po si Trillanes. So ito po ngayon ang isa pong mangha sa ganun ka tapang na sinasabi ni former PRRD na ito'y kanyang isasama sa pagbigti si dating Senador Sonny Trillanes. Ito po ay atin pong pakinggan ang isang nakakagimbal na salita ni former Duterte.
If I'm lying or if my statements are falsely stated, or if there is an iota of magbigti ako. So, in the same manner na kung magbigti ako si Trillanes, dapat magsabay rin sa akin.
Ang dokumento sa AMLAC, kinonfirm niya. And because of that, tinanggal ni Duterte si Deputy Ombudsman. Now, aside from that, so pwede natin, suggested by Chairman Paduan, no, na yung AMLAC mismo, unless, since hindi naman na siya incumbent, pwedeng ma-access yun with the waiver, pero we've been there before. Nagsabi na yan siya na magbibigay siya ng waiver, puro draft yan, pero hindi, kaya nga mas maganda kung ma-draft na po natin yan ngayon, para papirmahan niya yan, dito, no? Para wala nang alibay. Pero ito po, I'll be presenting later on, Mr. Chairman, a video of his actual admission of these accounts, no? So, ito naman po mga check na inikas, in-extract lang namin from that long list. Mga managers checks po yan, hindi nawawala sa system po yan. And later on, accepted sa impeachment cases, kaya pwede po lumabas yan, ipe-present na po yan. That's the smoking gun ng proceeds of the illegal drug trade ng Duterte crime family. Salamat po.
Thank you very much for
Sir, I have to respond, sir. This guy
President,
is
with all due respect, I'll have to follow the rules. Yeah. I will give you time later, Mr. President. I will give you time later. Just so that we can put to rest this issue of waivers, because it's been going back and forth. Will the former president be okay that if we draft the waiver now, that it be signed today instead of tomorrow? Will you be fine with that, Mr. President?
Anong kapalit, sir?
Hindi.
Sampalin ko siya sa publiko.
Hindi, wala naman.
Hindi, ngayon na.
Wala pong galunan.
Chairman,
Sampalin ko sa
Chairman, session is
Session suspended.
Sabit.
Please observe proper decorum. We are in a committee hearing. We have already stressed from the very beginning that the proper rules, decorum, will be implemented regardless of who you are. Regardless of who you are. We live by a set of rules in this committee, and those set of rules will be followed, and those set of rules will be implemented.
If I may,
Wait, session, it's still suspended. It's still suspended.
Sorry ho.
The hearing now resumed.
Chairman,
Yes, SDS.
Mr. Chair, Mr. Chairman, can I move,
Wait, former President,
I would like to apologize for the unbecoming image of
thank you very much for your apology. It is accepted, and I hope that the others beside you would also observe proper decorum. So, but thank you very much for your apology. SDS,
Mr. Chairman, may I move to strike off the word sampal in our record.
there's a motion to strike off the word sampal in the records. Any second to that? Second, any objection? There being none. Comsec, you are duly instructed to please strike out that word.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Secondly, hindi po basketball ito.